Is your garden starting to look like it's being overgrown by weeds? Well, today I'm going to show you the best way that I found to weed. I'm using the Stihl. This is an MM55 garden tiller. It works fantastic. And around the plants, I'm using my hoe. It's called a Loop Hoe. This is a fantastic tool for manicuring close to the stems, but not touching the stems. Let's get started. Now that's what I call weeding. Look at that. Now these weeds are gonna die. You can pull out the big ones like this with the roots. I always toss them on the grass. I'll hit them with the lawnmower. But for the most part, you're done. I'm gonna use this hoe. You can pull these out like nothing. And just make sure that you don't get close to the stems. All right, so what's the trick of this? Well, there's a few tricks. Number one, when you plant, it's very tempting to put these tomatoes closer together. If you put them too close together, you're not going to be able to fit with that. The second thing, I love to put peat moss in the soil. It keeps it moist and it keeps it fluffy, if you will. If you didn't see the video on the deer fence, this is it. I don't know if you can see this. I think you can. I got 3 lines of fishing string on these poles, and you can see my plants. I'm going to turn the camera to show you where we live. There are tons of deer back there, and I think it's a testimonial to this fence that even though these deer run through my yard every single night, they don't go in the garden, because when they hit that fishing string, they stop. If you want to know how to put that up, I got a video to that too. I'll link that in the description below. All right, last thing. We're all proud of our gardens, right? Especially when they're growing good. This is growing fantastic. But the last step in this process for weeding, make it look nice, right? Let's spend 2 minutes and clean this up so it looks beautiful. All right, that looks great, doesn't it? Oh man, I gotta tell you, it's very satisfying to get this done like this. I hope you enjoy watching these videos as much as I enjoy making them. The next video I'm gonna post is gonna be installing our drip irrigation system. That's gonna be a little tricky to make sure we don't hit it with the rototiller, but I think I've got a good idea on how to do it. With that said, this is the Everyday Man saying thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.